Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make slime. So all the ingredients you're going to be needing is half a teaspoon of borax, half a cup of warm water, any food dye, and I chose blue, and you're going to be needing glue, and I chose Elmer's. I'm just really familiar with that. You can use any glue you want. So let's get into the ingredients. So first, we need to ready the borax. Then we're going to add the gallon of glue, 2 cups. I put half teaspoon of borax in here and half cup of warm water. What we're going to do is put this. Now we are adding the glue into our bowl. We're just adding more. If you want a more giant slime, you can add that. And we want like more, so yeah, we're adding it. Now we're adding the food dye into the slime, and I'm just being careful with my food dye because it just spills. And now we're going to mix it. And then after your food dye is mixed, you're going to put some borax, and be careful if you overactivate your slime, it's just going to rip. And yet slowly stir and see what's doing. And when your slime is pulling off the sides, it's time to knead it with your hands. You're not supposed to add more borax in your slime. Add little by little of the borax into your slime. And when it's like this, it will all clump, but it's okay. You have to knead it with your hands. And I don't know if other glues do that, but Elmer's always does that to me. And as you see, it's like pulling off the sides, but it's not like fully pulling off, so just more borax. And as you see, it's like pulling off the sides. So this is when it's time to knead. So you always have to just knead your slime like this. And then it will just stick on your hands, but you have to keep kneading, and you have to use borax, but just be sure not to overactivate it. And yeah, see, after this is fully activated. Go.
Related application. It doesn't have to be the full blown.
So this is when the slime is actually ready. It doesn't really stick on your hands. I can just take this off the video because I was actually kneading it. But really, it doesn't really stick on you. And yeah, and I bet you enjoyed this video. And please comment and subscribe. Bye.